What is a binary tree?
A binary tree is a special type of data structure in computer science. It is made up of nodes, where each node has a value and can have up to two children, called the left child and the right child. The topmost node is known as the root. This simple yet versatile structure forms the foundation for many important algorithms.
Core properties of binary trees.
Binary trees have several key properties. Every node has at most two children, and the structure can be visualized as branching out from the root. The height of the tree impacts performance, as balanced trees allow for faster searching and sorting. Special types like full, complete, and perfect binary trees are defined based on how their nodes are arranged.
Types of binary trees.
There are several variations of binary trees suited for different tasks. Common types include binary search trees, which keep values sorted for efficient searching, complete binary trees, where all levels are filled except possibly the last, and balanced trees, which keep their height minimized for faster operation. Each type is optimized for specific computing needs.
Common uses in computing.
Binary trees are widely used in the real world. They form the backbone of searching and sorting algorithms, decision-making structures, and hierarchical data. Binary search trees make looking up values quick and efficient. They're also essential in constructing expression trees in compilers, organizing file systems, and enabling fast lookups in databases.
Why learn about binary trees?
Understanding binary trees opens the door to mastering advanced computer science concepts. They help build fast, reliable software and allow developers to tackle complex problems more efficiently. Knowledge of binary trees is fundamental for anyone pursuing programming, software engineering, or data science.